The Grip Rite mounting kit allows you to avoid putting holes in your truck bed while keeping your truck toolbox secure and in place. It's compatible with most trucks. The following instructions will walk you through the easy installation of the Grip Rite mounting kit. And don't worry, this doesn't count as reading the instructions because who needs those? Let's get started. Place the protective strips in position under the cuff of the box to protect the bed rails. These strips are provided by Betterbuilt in Betterbuilt toolboxes. Place your truck toolbox on the truck bed rails and ensure that the toolbox lid has the proper clearance and will not hit the cab of your truck. Lightly mark the bed rails where the pre-cut mounting slots are located. Remove the truck toolbox and set it aside. Assemble the Grip Rite as shown here. Attach the Grip Rite mounts to the truck bed rails, ensuring that the T-shaped component is on the side of the bed rail. Be sure not to over-tighten the screw into the Grip Rite. Place your toolbox into position over the Grip Rite mounts on the truck bed rails. Align the box to be square with the truck bed and centered side to side. Insert the bolts with washers through the pre-cut mounting slots and into the holes on top of the T-shaped component of the Grip Rite. Tighten down to secure. And there you have it. Your truck is now capable of mounting your new Betterbuilt truck toolbox without damaging the truck bed.